Hello watch fans, Berthier Watches here, and inside this box is a Seiko watch. Unstamped papers, but this is a modern classic. This is the Seiko SARB033. You see we've even got the hand tag for it. Since this has gone out of production, prices have rocketed up, and it's easy to see why. Probably the best value watch under £500 that was on the market. Built superbly, wears very well, wears like a Rolex Datejust. You've got the 035 version, which has the cream dial, which we currently also have in stock. Stainless steel case, 23 dual automatic movement, which you can see through the case back. Possible to be hand wound as well as automatic, unlike the cheaper Seikos. Just a very, very wearable watch. Everything about it just exudes class. We expect these will continue to rise in value. No one can guarantee these things, but we just can't see why not. You can't buy them new anymore. They keep going up. The supply is outstripping demand, and we're very pleased to get one. Available now by clicking the link below.